Starting at age 30, the most important hormone in a man's body begins to disappear. 1% a year, every year. You don't feel it at first, but by the time you hit 50, you have lost a fifth of your testosterone, and nobody ever warned you it was happening. Here is what they never told you. Testosterone isn't about sex. It is the fuel behind everything that makes you feel like yourself. Your energy, your drive, the muscle on your frame, the sharpness in your mind, the will to get up and go. When it falls, all of it falls with it. Think about how you feel by 3 in the afternoon. That bone-deep tiredness that coffee cannot touch. You blame your age, you blame your job. But low testosterone starves your cells of the signal to make energy. You are not lazy. You are running on a tank that has been draining for 20 years. Then there is your body. After 50, men lose muscle 3 times faster when testosterone is low. Doctors call it sarcopenia. You call it getting soft. The strength leaves your arms. The jars get harder to open. And the less muscle you carry, the less testosterone you make. It feeds on itself. It reaches your mind too. Low testosterone is tied to brain fog, low mood, and that flat, grey feeling where nothing excites you anymore. Men think they are just getting older and grumpier. Often they are getting deficient. The fire did not go out because you aged. It went out because the fuel ran low. And here is the cruelest part, the belly. Fat around your gut is not just sitting there. It actively converts your testosterone into estrogen. So the more weight you carry, the less testosterone you keep. And the less testosterone you keep, the more weight you gain. A trap that tightens every year you ignore it. Your sleep pays the price too. Most of a man's testosterone is made while he sleeps deeply. But low testosterone wrecks that deep sleep. So you wake at 3 a.m., stare at the ceiling, and make even less the next night. Tired men make less, and less makes them more tired. So why does no one tell you this? Because the world decided that a tired, soft, checked-out man over 50 is just normal. Expected. They told you it was age. They told you to accept it. That lie has cost millions of men the best decades of their lives. But it is not just age. And here is the proof. 4 things you do every single day are crushing your testosterone faster than time ever could. 1. Sugar. Every spike of blood sugar drops your testosterone for hours. A man drinking soda and eating processed carbs all day keeps himself chemically suppressed from morning to night. 2. Alcohol. More than a couple of drinks a week directly lowers testosterone production and raises estrogen. That nightly beer to unwind is quietly unmanning you. 3. Chronic stress. When cortisol stays high, testosterone goes down. They sit on opposite ends of a seesaw. A man who lives angry, rushed and worried is burning his own hormones for fuel. And 4. Poor sleep. 6 hours a night or less can cut your testosterone by up to 15%. One bad week of sleep can age your hormones by a decade. Now the good news, because there is a lot of it. Testosterone is one of the most reversible things in a man's body. Lift something heavy twice a week, and your body starts producing more within weeks. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, and you reclaim what you have been throwing away. Eat real protein. Get sunlight on your skin for vitamin D. Cut the sugar and the nightly drink. Walk instead of stewing in your stress. And get one blood test, just one, so you finally know your real numbers instead of guessing. The men who do this do not become someone else. They become who they were before the tank ran dry. The energy comes back, the strength comes back, the man comes back. It was never gone, it was just starving. And at 50, you finally get to feed it again. If you want the simple, step-by-step plan we use to rebuild energy and strength after 50, the free guide is waiting in the link below. This is the 50 Reset. Your second half starts now.